Click on the link below to get price. The WEN 11,000-watt dual-fuel portable generator is a powerhouse that seamlessly combines performance with convenience. This generator is designed to run on both gasoline and propane, offering flexibility in fuel choice and making it an ideal companion for various situations, from emergency home backup to outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive 11,000 starting watts and 8,300 running watts, which can power multiple appliances simultaneously. Whether it's running a refrigerator during a blackout or powering tools on a job site, this generator rises to the challenge. The electric start is a game changer. With the simple push of a button, you can fire it up without the hassle of a pull cord, a feature that's particularly appreciated during inclement weather. The inclusion of a wheel kit ensures that portability is a breeze. With sturdy wheels and an ergonomic handle, moving the generator across various terrains is manageable, even for a single person. Weighing in at over 200 pounds, it might seem daunting, but the design effectively mitigates that concern. Moreover, the dual-fuel capability is not just a gimmick. Using propane can extend your runtime significantly compared to gasoline, making it a more economical choice over extended use. The generator's 7-gallon fuel tank allows for impressive runtime up to 11 hours at half load on gasoline and over 14 hours on propane, providing peace of mind during prolonged outages. Noise levels are another consideration, and while this generator isn't silent, it operates at a reasonable decibel level for its capacity. The built-in fuel gauge and low-oil shutoff feature add layers of safety and ease of use, ensuring that you are always informed of fuel levels and generator health. Overall, the WEN 11,000-watt dual-fuel portable generator delivers exceptional reliability and versatility, making it an excellent investment for anyone in need of robust power solutions. Whether for home, work, or play, it stands out as a dependable choice.